polynomials, we have a couple methods we could use. We could just distribute or do foiling, kind of a larger version of foiling when we have a trinomial times a trinomial, or we can do the box method. Now, because I've seen a lot of students do this, with the foiling method, I get a lot of mistakes. So you're going to see me do more of the box method because I think it's a great way to just keep everything organized, and then we won't lose any terms or forget to multiply anything. So here's how the box method works. We're going to take each term. Here's our first polynomial. It's a negative x squared, and then we're going to have a positive 4x, and then a 1. And we are going to make a box with this. On the left side, we have an x squared, and a negative 8x, and a 3. So I'm going to have a box that is 3 by 3, and I'm going to fill in all of these boxes. Technically, we're turning this into kind of an area type of problem, where we do length times width to get what the area is of each box in here. So for this box, we'll do x squared times a negative x squared, which is a negative x to the 4th. Now moving to the right, x squared times 4x is 4x cubed. Now x squared times 1 is just x squared. Now I go to the bottom. Negative 8x times negative x squared is an 8x cubed. Negative 8x times 4x is negative 32x squared. Negative 8x times 1 is a negative 8x. Now my last row, 3 times negative x squared is a negative 3x squared. 3 times 4x is 12x, and 3 times 1 is 3. So we did all the multiplying. I know we didn't miss anything because we were very, very organized in how we did it with the box method. And now all that we have to do, I'm going to move this over a minute, is write our final answer. So in our final answer, we're just looking for any like terms to combine and just making sure that we are in standard form. So the highest exponent we have is this negative x to the 4th. We don't have any more of those, so that's going to stay as negative x to the 4th. What's nice about this is our like terms tend to line up diagonally for us. So next we have an 8x cubed plus 4x cubed, which is 12x cubed. I'm done with those. Now let's combine all of our x squareds. Negative 3x squared plus negative 32x squared is a negative 35, plus 1 is a negative 34x, what is this, squared. Now we have 12 minus 8, so 12x minus 8x is a positive 4x. And I'm running out of room. Our constant term is just plus 3. We'll see if that gets cut off. And there's our final answer. That's all we had to do. Kept everything super organized and simplified using the box. You don't have to do this, but I have found students have more success when they do this. Even if you think you're just awesome at foiling and distributing, obviously you've seen me make many mistakes, and I'm pretty awesome at foiling and distributing, but this just keeps everything organized, and it really, really does reduce those little mistakes we don't even know we're making. So there you go, another way to do multiplying polynomials.